Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 620 and the problem name is not boring movies and the problem difficulty level is easy. So let's read the problem statement. We have given a table cinema containing the columns ID, movie, description and rating. ID is the primary key with the unique values for this table and each row contain information about the name of a movie, its genre, and its rating. Rating is a two decimal place float in the range 0 to 10. Let's see what we need to find. Write a solution to report the movies with an odd numbered ID. So just take care here. Make a note with an odd numbered ID and a description that is not boring, and result the result table ordered by rating in descending order, and the result format should be in the following example. So let's see the input table cinema, and we have ID 1 2 3 4 5 movies like war, science, iris, ice song, and a house card. And description is given like great 3D, fiction, boring, fantasy, and interesting. And some ratings are given here. So here we need to find first like a odd number of movies that their description that is not a boring. Okay, so first we will find like odd number of IDs. So how can we find the odd number of IDs? So in MySQL we have a mod function. Okay, so let's see mod function how it work. So I'm giving just taking an example for mod, explaining like what is the definition of mod and how it works in MySQL. So the mod function in MySQL returns the remainder, right? Mod and parameters, like we can consider parameters takes two parameters, and where n is, we can say, dividend, and m is divisor. Okay, that you know in mathematics that dividend is our numerator and the divisor is our denominator, right? So this is the mod function, and this is the two parameters. So when we take the mod of any number by any divisor, so it returns the remainder. What it returns? Remainder. So let's take example, like when we if I'm taking just for, let's say, n is 10 and m is, let's say, m is 3. So okay, sorry guys, n is 10 and m is 3. So when we divide this number by 3, so we will get remainder, r will be just 1. Okay, so in our this table, in this table when we take like id column is our dividend, and divisor should be like, how can we find the odd numbers? So if we will divide, like, what is the condition in another programming language we also find, like if any number divided by 2 is equal to 1 or is not equal to 0, that means we here if I'm taking id, okay, and id is like 1 2 3 4 5 like this, and I am dividing by uh, I'm taking modulus of 2, modulus of 2, modulus of 2, and modulus of 2. So what we will get? We will get just, well, like if I'll take the just modulus, so I'll get this. I'll get this. Here I will get this. Here I will get is fully divisible. So I will get 0. Here I will get again 1 and 0. So if I'm taking a mod of id column and with 2, so it could be the, like, is equal to 1, or either we can take a condition like id with 2 is not equal to, should not equal to 0. So just we implement this in our query. So select, like, what output should be, id, movie, description and rating. Okay, so select id and movie, description and rating also. So basically all the column from cinema table, from cinema table, and where, what is the first condition is like odd numbered id. So uh, taking mod on column id, so it should not be equal to 0. And the other condition is like a description that is not a boring. So it's very simple, very easy, and I like this. Just simply add description not equal to boring, right? And here we have to return the result table ordered by rating. So we just apply order by rating in descending order. So order by rating DESC, like this. So now we run. Let's see. Description. Okay. Here description will be C is missing. I'm sorry. Rating. Oh my god. Okay, so our first test case is passed. It is accepted. So we are getting the output as expected here, as you can see here. So it's a very easy problem. I hope you understand the problem statement with the implementation. Okay, so thank you so much for today, and I'll meet you in the next video with the next problem. And just till that, keep learning and keep growing.